Partner, may bago akong chismis sa inyo at hindi ito tungkol sa mga bagong mixed doubles partner na magjowa na ngayon. Alam nating lahat ang tungkol sa Duper, di ba? This is what we know as the undisputed king of ratings. Pero undisputed pa rin ba? Kasi meron ng bagong app ngayon. Narinig mo na ba yung tungkol sa VARE? This is the Virtually Assessed International Rating, a new system that uses artificial intelligence to analyze every move you make on the court.
Wow.
At kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-duper, ang duper basically ang official report card ng pickleball. Lahat ng laro mo, yung panalo, yung talo, yung score difference, kino-compute para malaman kung legit ka bang 3.5 o 3.5 ka lang with confidence. Duper basically uses match results and updates your rating dynamically after the games. But let's be real. Duper is like your toxic ex.
Wait, what?
One wrong play lang and your rating drops immediately. Pero eto na ang plot twist. Sa VARE, hindi lang raw score ang tinitignan. Ang focus nila, how you actually play. How does it work? With VARE, artificial intelligence and certified raters watch how you play. Even if you lose, if you go toe-to-toe with a stronger opponent, the AI analyzes your moves, your shots, how you handled the game, kahit na yung personality at character mo. At kahit natalo ka, your rating could even go up kasi ito ay performance over results. Meaning, ang movement mo, decision making, shot quality, these are all qualified. Hindi na lang basta tungkol sa wins and losses. Kasi ang reklamo ng marami, pag natapat ka sa kakampi na hindi maganda ang laro, nahatak ang score mo pababa. Sa ibang duper games naman, pwede kang mamili ng kakampi. Siyempre, disadvantage yun sa mga kalaro nyo. They say that the VARE system evaluates player performance visually with certified raters and AI-assisted analysis instead of just relying on match outcomes. So technically, kahit nanalo ka dahil malakas ang partner mo, pwede pa rin kasing masabi na, dude, nabuhat ka lang. Kasi aminin natin, minsan sa Duper, may 4.0 na parang final boss ng computer game na parang si Johnny Arcilla lang na sinisipat ang buong court at kahit anong palo mo nahahabol niya tapos pagbalik sa'yo, ikaw pa rin ang nahihirapan. On the other hand, may 4.0 rin na mukhang 3.5 lang talaga tapos matatapat sa Duper na 3.0 na player na 2.8 lang din talaga. A lot of players online have criticized Duper for its corruptibility and inconsistencies, while others consider it still as the main standard of competitive play, just because there's no other basis. Now, there's an option. Hindi pa rin perfect, pero mas madaming factors na nako-cover to better assess your rating. On my next video, I'll cover how VARE works with more information about this app and this system. So don't forget to like this video and follow my page. Sige, bibigyan kita ng 10 seconds. Antayin ko. Okay na? But one thing is for sure, pickleball is evolving fast. Ang tanong ngayon, are you still sticking with Duper na parang grading system ng terror na professor mo? Or will you trust VARE na parang ChatGPT with a better feel for your skill? Ako po si Mox De Vera, ang inyong pambansang boses ng pickleball. Tara, laro na tayo. I'll see you on the court soon.
What's up mga walang bitaw?